Okay then, in this video we will discuss some of the mathematical operations you can do on a set. Let's first of all discuss a mathematical operation called union. So as the name suggests, union accepts two sets and then it will return a new set with all items from both sets. So let's say I have in here fruit set and vegetable set. So if I run a union method on these two sets, it's gonna return a new set with all these items from both sets. Okay, so let's take a look at this one in practice. So I will create a variable called vegfruits because it's gonna be a union of fruit set with vegetable set. So then we need to specify our first set, and it doesn't matter which one. So it can be any of these two sets. So I'll say fruit set, then union, then my second set is vegetables. So now let's check. So again, this union should now return all items from both sets. So as you can see, it's returning items from both sets. So if you have a duplicate, it's gonna ignore a duplicate. So for instance, let's say banana is in here as well. Of course, banana is not a vegetable, but for demonstration purposes, I'm just adding this banana into vegetables set. So as you can see, banana is only appearing once. So now let's discuss a second mathematical operation called intersection. So let's discuss what intersection does. So what it does is it returns a new set that only contains the items that are present in both sets because it's intersection. So for instance, let me create another fruit set and I'll call it exotic fruits like this, and in here it's gonna be the first item avocado and the second one is mango like this. So if I run intersection method on fruits, it's not gonna return anything because there is no intersection. So that's why I will add avocado to fruit set like this. Now, if I run intersection method on fruit set with exotic fruits, it's gonna return avocado because avocado is the one that's available in both sets. So let me show that to you. So I'll say intersection fruits. Then I need to specify first set. It's gonna be fruits set. Then intersection, and then second set. It's gonna be exotic fruits. So this one will now return avocado. As you can see, it's avocado. Okay, so now let's discuss the next one called intersection update, which is very similar to intersection, except it's not gonna return a new set. Instead, it's gonna return the existing set based on another set. So for instance, if I run fruit set and say intersect fruit set with exotic fruits, it's gonna return fruit set, but with the items that are present in both sets. It's gonna be avocado again, right? So let's do that. So I'll say fruit set, then intersection, then update. So then my second set will be exotic fruits. And now if I print fruit set, it should return avocado. So let me show that to you. You see, it's avocado. So if you swap the sets, let's say if you put fruits in here and then this one in here, this time around you need to call exotic fruits, right? Because you are running exotic fruits, you are running intersection update method on this exotic fruit set based on fruit set. So let me show that to you. So you see, it's still avocado. So these are some of the available mathematical operations you can do on a set. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.